The video discusses the reasons why most objects in space, such as planets and stars, take on a spherical shape, while considering some exceptions and slight differences. Initial formation. The video explains how planets began to form more than 4 billion years ago, from a nebula of dust and gas that began to wrap around itself and then contracted due to gravity. The role of gravity. Gravity is the fundamental force that pulls all the materials that make up a celestial body towards the center at equal distances from all sides, leading to the automatic formation of a spherical shape. Hydrostatic equilibrium. The video illustrates how the balance between the thermal pressure resulting from the planet trying to release heat and the force of gravity pulling materials inward leads to a state of equilibrium that results in a spherical shape. Influencing factors. The video mentions that the spherical shape is not a general rule for all objects in space, as factors such as the size of the body and its rotational speed affect its shape. Size of the body. Small objects like asteroids may not be spherical due to their weak gravity. The video clarifies that objects with a diameter less than 1,000 kilometers or a size less than 3.5 times the size of the Moon may not form a spherical shape. Rotational speed. Large objects that rotate at high speeds, such as the planets Saturn and Jupiter, may have an oval shape due to the centrifugal force at the equator. Equatorial bulge. The video explains the concept of equatorial bulge and how planets that rotate rapidly around themselves have a diameter at the equator that is longer than their diameter between the poles. Sphericity of planets. The video points out that planets like Mercury and Venus are closer to a perfect circle, while other planets like Saturn and Jupiter show noticeable differences. Conclusion. The video concludes by emphasizing that the spherical shape is the most common shape for large objects in space as a result of the influence of gravity and hydrostatic equilibrium, with some slight differences that depend on other factors,